At Shengchang Aluminum Industry, we have a large inventory of aluminum 5083 aluminum sheet plate in a variety of sizes and thicknesses. We can also provide customized processing and cutting services according to customer needs. 5083 aluminum sheet plate panels meet aviation grade standards. The stock dimensions of our 5083 aluminum sheet plate are thickness 1 to 450 mm, ready stock, width 1,250 to 2,500 mm, length 2,500-5,000 mm. The 5083 aluminum sheet plate has been certificated by ISO 9001 and AS 9120, also passed RoHS-SGS and other third-party quality inspections. The complete testing tools and various advanced CNC equipment expand our daily peak aluminum cutting capacity over hundreds of tons. If you have needs, please contact us today to learn more about 5083 aluminum sheet plate and other aluminum products.